Hello, friends. This is Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I am so excited to do my first video for the Not Too Shabby channel. I've been a huge fan, and I'm just so excited. So you might be wondering, Danny, what on earth are you showing us? So this is how I have been storing all my ephemera that I get from the boxes of the month, which, while it works, I was like, this is not really doing it for me. So one night when I couldn't sleep, I came up with another way. So today I'm going to show you a fun way to make a project that you get to keep, or I guess you could give it as a gift. Because I think that sometimes as crafters, we create and we create and we create and we give it all away. And then we don't have anything fun and pretty for ourselves. So today I'm going to show you an idea I came up with for storing your ephemera and also having something that you made for yourself. So let's stick around and we'll get busy and create some storage for our ephemera. All right, I am back to share with you. If you remember, before I just had a whole bunch of this in this box is how I was storing my ephemera. Now I just have this one because it's an extra and I haven't decided if I'm going to use it or give it away. And these were too big for my little mini pizza boxes that I created to hold all of my ephemera. What I did is I took the ephemera and then it's matching paper, and so that I decorated the top of it so I know this one was the birthday bears and had some butterflies. On the inside, I have all the ephemera, and then I wrote down like what it was so that I can match it up when I go to use it. But how fun is that? Normally, most normal people can probably just set these on their shelf. I have to keep them in a box, otherwise my cat will come along and knock them all off. You could also put a ribbon around it to kind of hold it a little bit more secure, but that's just how I did mine. I'll quickly show you each of them. And this was the strawberry one. And there I have it. It was so refreshing. The April 2022 box of the month. And there's my ephemera. There's the last month's with the bees. Again, it's just a fun way to store that ephemera. And then later in the month, I will show you some fun things you can do with the boxes after you use up all the ephemera so that you can either keep it or you can gift it. Oh, my tape came undone on that one. I was in a hurry. I did all of these in one evening, so they go together really, really quick and easy. I won't open them all, but you can see now I can find my ephemera. It's something pretty. I really like how they all turned out. And again, it's just something, we give so much of ourselves away in our creations when we craft. So it's just super fun, I think, to make something pretty for yourself to keep. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is after I get these all put away. We are going to make 2 of these for the July 2022 box of the month, because there's 2 packages of ephemera with that, and it's super duper easy and fun. And then, like I said, later in the month I'll be back on my channel showing you some different things, different ways to utilize these if you use all the ephemera or want to give them as a gift or want to make them as a gift and so on. All right, so I'll be right back and we will get started creating these. All right, I already had my pieces of cardstock cut to 6 by 11. You're going to score on the short side at 1 inch and 5 inch, and on the long side at 1 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, and 10 inch. And then you're gonna see that I'm just gonna cut the flaps a little bit. I've also forgot to say that this is not my original design. I will link below to the tutorial that I use. I have this memorized now after making so many of them. It is a very easy project. They go together really quick and easy. Again, right now I'm just folding those score lines, burnishing it with a bone folder, and then you'll see me go ahead and cut those. Super easy, you just cut everywhere the score lines meet on the long side. Snip, snip. And then I did delete the part of me adding the adhesive. I use a double-sided tape, like the score tape. I also sped this up a lot because I fight with the release paper on those a lot. And then you just remove those, the release paper, and you fold it up and it creates the box. I mean, seriously, one of the easiest projects, but it's so much fun. I love making these mini pizza boxes. Also, I mean, for the ephemera, but also just in general, you can do so much with them. And there we go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Now you're just going to see me decorating each of them, and I already had things kind of pre-picked out of what I wanted to do, and I had it pre-cut. The top of the box is a 4x4, so you can cut layers, you can do a single layer, you can decorate it however you want because it's for you. Thanks so much for watching my video. I really hope that you liked what you saw. If you do, a thumbs up is always appreciated. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the Not Too Shabby Shop channel so you don't miss a thing, because the designers on this team are amazing. And meet me over on my channel later in the month where I can show you more things to do with these great boxes. I'll add some music as we finish this out. Thanks so much.